If two arcs of same length in two circles subtend angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of it of their radius. If the two arcs are of same length, so consider this as S and this as S. An angle theta that is 65 degree and this angle is 110 degrees and radius will be R1 and radius will be this radius will be R2. Now let C1 and C2 are two circles. Is C1 is or is C2? Radius are R1 and R2 and central angle are theta 1 and theta 2 respectively. Now theta 1 is equal to 65 degrees. अब इसे रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे pi upon 180. So this is 13 pi upon 36 radian and theta 2 is equal to 110 degrees. So 110 into pi upon 180 radians. So this is equal to 11 pi upon 18 radians. Now length of arc is same. So length of arc of circle C1 is S is equal to R1 theta 1. Length of arc of circle C2 is S is equal to R2 theta 2. So from first and second R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 upon R2 is equal to theta 2 upon theta 1. So R1 upon R2 is equal to 11 pi upon 180 divided by 13 pi upon 36. So R1 upon R2 is equal to 11 pi upon, sorry, this is 18. 11 pi upon 18 into 36 upon 13 pi. Pi will get cancelled. 18 to the 36. So R1 upon R2 is equal to 22 upon 30. So their ratio R1 is to R2 is equal to 22 is to 30.